Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Barnard Elementary School in Troy, Michigan. First time here, home of the Blue Jays. And like you see behind me and all over the building, they really try to live by the Blue Jay way, right? Where they're responsible, they're respectful, they look to build positive relationships, and that's who we are here at Barnard. And so the focus for today's assemblies, all grades K through 5 students and staff, was bullying. The sub-theme was look at the heart first, right? We know that our heart's as big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn that into this, right? Peace sign. One finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves by how we choose to treat ourselves and others, but also two, because in just 2 seconds, one action, one word, one breath, one heartbeat, 2 seconds, we can do or say something so kind that it stays on someone's heart in a positive way forever, or conversely, we can say something so mean that it stays on someone's heart in a negative way, potentially for the rest of their life. So we always have this choice between love or hate. And that's not just towards others, but towards ourselves too, right? And we know a big reason why bullying happens is that hurt people. And sometimes we're the hurt people that hurt ourselves. If we think negatively, it hurts our hearts. But if we push that negativity onto other people around us, well, of course, that's gonna hurt their heart too. So we always have this opportunity to rise above the hate and turn the hurt people who hurt people into healed people who heal people, right? And it's something that is a conscious choice each and every day, no matter what we've been through or going through, will go through. We always have that opportunity, right, to still show that kindness, to still show love. And it's something that I even brought up in the programs today that we talk about living this Blue Jay way, making that Barnard pledge. Well, it's one thing to say it, but it's another thing to act on it, right? Words only mean so much until we put it into action, right? Until our words match our actions, it doesn't really matter. So we know that we can always still choose to look at someone's heart first, focus on that heart health. And these assemblies sponsored by Sam Smile Foundation, they're all about heart wellness, right? They're all about really trying to heal here and knowing that if we can do that, the mental health, everything surrounding, who we are, what we try to do each and every day to make this world a better place, that, it's one thing that, yes, we're gonna be all in for this planet, but also we're gonna be okay. We know we never have to go it alone. We have the support of others. We can be that best friend to ourselves and the people around us, and know that we can reach out for support if and when we need it, right? That's a big piece. So again, the principal focus, again, looking at someone's heart before anything else, just like you see your best friend for their heart first, but also focusing on this too. Something I bring up in all my talks, but all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. Right? I trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but we have at least one in each hand. And that M stands for miracle. Like the front of my shirt, upside down W stands for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we believe that, once we buy into that, now we can go be that light to someone else's heart too, right? And we know this world needs a lot more kindness. So if we can, shine, that compassion, that empathy towards our fellow human beings, then we're starting to make where we live, where we go to school, the places we interact, we're starting to make it all a better place. So again, just a beautiful morning, early afternoon here at Barnard. Thank you all for touching my heart. It was amazing to get to meet all of you. Hope to see you again soon. Until then though, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see it pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.